Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to disable calls on Telegram in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to disable calls on Telegram in Android? Telegram offers high-quality voice calls for users all over the world through their mobile and desktop apps. You can control who can and who can't call you. You can also block anyone and everyone from calling you, if you prefer. To do so, open Telegram application, and then click on Settings. Then, you will see an option of Privacy and Security, so click on it. Now, click on the calls and then you will see who can call me, so change it according to you. Select Nobody. After performing all these steps correctly, you will be able to disable calls from strangers. How to disable calls on Telegram in Windows PC? If you want to disable Telegram calls on your Windows PC, then, launch the Telegram app. Open the menu panel by click on the three lines icon. Click on Settings from the menu panel. Click on the Privacy and Security option. Click on Voice Calls. It will be under the Privacy section. Navigate to the Who Can Call Me section and select Nobody from the options. Click on Save to apply your changes. When you have done that, no one can call you in Telegram. Finished. So, this is all about how to disable calls on Telegram in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.